Guys, it is stormy today. Really stormy. Watch, you're gonna hear some stuff. That's it. Crazy. Gang, gang, gang. So this is what it looks like outside. See? You can hear it. It's kind of crazy. It's scary, buddy. It's scary. This is my dog, Shirley, if you didn't know him. And we just moved into this new house. And internet everywhere in this house. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that bird. Saw a bird. Birdie, bird. I'm gonna get my shoes on because see, now, guys, it's starting to rain now. I'm gonna go outside. Got my hoodie on. I hope it's not hail. It just stopped right now. It's gonna go again. Oh. Little drops. In from the side. I can only stand here because they'll get electrocuted. Electrocute me. It's starting again. Oh, it's starting again. Oh, crazy. Oh, it's raining outside. Oh, I got boots on. Let's get out of my tablet. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh, guys! Did you see that? It's right in front of me. The lightning. It's starting to hail. It's starting to hail. Woo. See, hail. I show my YouTubers.
Did you really?
Yeah. See, it's hailing.
Watch the lightning pointed up there in the sky.
See, guys? No.
Wait for it. See if you can go about here. Once you hear the thunder, then you'll see you see the lightning and then thunder. Watch.
You're gonna see it.
That was loud.
I know, and it's even hailing. See?
Yeah. Watch for it.
See, just watch it. See. See? Hailings. Hey guys, I almost run into a lightning, so I was freaked out. It's like a tornado, jeez. It was being better yesterday. Wait, let me see. Like a tornado, jeez. Oh, I'm outside a little bit. See? Oh, you can even see the raindrops on my camera a little bit. See? Raindrops on my camera. Oh my. Nope. Only the white bit. Holy Jesus. I need to cover you guys. No. Gonna get wet. Oh. Good, my camera survived. Huh. We'll be right. Oh my god. Hayling! It's Hayling! Oh. Oh my gosh! You hear that, guys? You hear that? And I just saw it right there. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna end this video right now because it's way too creepy.